Okay, student, how are you? Now we in this video we will take some uh, journal entries related to GST. Before going to the journal entries, we will just make you understand. I will just make you understand the different categories in which this GST is kept. Okay, there are 4 GST, goods and service tax, that is charged within the, if the goods are sold within the state, within a state. If the goods are sold within one state, then the tax is charged, that is called state GST. That is called SGST, we can say SGST. Okay, and another one is CGST, Central GST, that is CGST. When goods are sold within the state, this purchased and sold, then this GST is charged. Okay, and when goods are sold or bought from some other state, when 2 states are involved, then outside state, then the GST that is integrated GST, IGST, that is IGST. Okay, that is, so outside state, when goods are bought and sold, that IGST is charged or levied on that, and within the state 2 taxes are levied, SGST and CGST. Here, when at whatever rate of tax is there, that tax is divided into 2 categories. If 18% tax is there on some good, then 9% will go to the state and 9% will go to the central GST. Okay, and here in this case, if the same good is sold outside the state, then 18% total, 18% will go for IGST. Okay, so first of all, this thing you must understand. Okay, now second thing is that it is now when the goods are sold, and then the tax that is collected, that GST that is collected, we can say, is, we will name here it with when the goods are sold, that is called output CGST, output GST, output GST. Okay, that may be CGST, that may be SGST, that may be IGST, so SGST in output, SGST, CGST and IGST output on sale, on purchases. When we purchase, we pay some GST on that. That is that when we will enter in our book, that will be input SGST, input CGST and that IGST. Any this here in case of this 2 and out of this and this, out of this and this. Okay, and this is there. Okay, now whenever we will try to, if we want to, if we buy some goods there, if we buy the goods, then what we will put when we buy the goods, we purchases account debit, because what is the journal entry for that? When we buy the goods, then the purchases account debit, and along with that purchase we will have to pay some GST also. If it is within the state we are buying, if we are buying the goods within the state, then what will happen? On purchase we will show input GST, input. If within the state we are buying, that input as GST will be paid, input this CGST will be paid. So total, if we have bought the goods for rupees 50,000 and 18% tax is there, so 18% means 18, if we charge 18, so 9,000 will tax will be charged out of that 4,500, means 9%, 4,500 will go in inputs as GST, 4,500 in input CGST, means total 18,000 rupees. 18% tax which is collected, 18 5 is 90, means 9,000 tax has been collected. When we are purchasing the goods for 50,000, we will have to pay, if it is 18, it comes, the goods that we are buying comes into the category of 18% tax. That 18% tax, of that 18% tax, that is 9,000, half of this will go to CGST and half in SGST category. Okay, means central and state, half will go to the center and half will go to the state. And the person, how much amount we will have to pay? We will pay to cash, to bank, okay, to bank, how much? 50 plus 9, 59,000 we will have to pay. So what is the journal entry here? For that, journal entry is purchases account debit 50,000, input SGST 4,500, input SGST 4,500 to bank. Or if we are selling in goods on credit, then we will put the name of that person. If we have bought the goods from Dinesh and Company, so we'll put here to Dinesh and Company, because we have to pay to Dinesh and Company this amount. Now contrary to that, if we have sold the goods, then what will happen? The same journal entry. If we have sold the goods, the same thing will happen, but little change, because now this input, in place of this input, and this purchase, if the same thing is there, we have bought the goods for 50,000, and we have sold the goods within the state for 50,000 rupees, of this 18% category. In that person, again we are selling the goods, so this sales account, sale mein 50,000 rupees will go, 50,000 rupees will go in sales, and then this SGST, when we are selling the goods, that GST will be charged 18%, that is 9,000 rupees. On this 50,000, 18% is 9,000. 9,000 will be divided into SGST and CGST. So SGST will charge. So this, when we are selling the goods on that, whatever GST charge, that we will write here, mention here, output CGST or SGST. So this is output. So now sale is of 50,000, outputs SGST is 4,500, output CGST SGST both are of 4,500, 4,500. Total value of sale is 59,000. Now the person whom we are selling, will pay us 59,000. If we have made the sale of this, then we will receive the amount how much? Bank account debit, that is 59,000. The journal entry is what? Bank account debit 59,000, to sales 50,000, to output CGST 4,500, output SGST 4,500. Okay, up to here is it clear? So sale and purchase की entry within the state is like this. Okay, now if it is IGST in place of CGST, है ना? अब this is the same transaction is there. We sold the goods of 50,000 to some other state. If we are staying in Delhi and we are selling the goods to some other state, if we are Rajasthan, or if we are in Rajasthan, we are selling the goods to Delhi, MP, or any other state, UP. So in that case, so if we are selling, the same journal entry is there, the same transaction is there, sold the goods of 50,000 to some other state, name is given there, sold goods value of 50,000 to Ramesh, ठीक है, from whom payment has been received, ठीक है, in some other state. So here the same entry will be there, but instead of putting this 2, output CGST and SGST, will put 1, IGST only, because 1 tax is charged on that, but tax is not reduced, the rate is the same, 18%. So here 9,000 will be put in, it will be IGST, output IGST will be 9,000 rupees. So journal entry is what? Bank account debit, if we are receiving the payment, against this, the bank account debit 59,000 to sales to output IGST. Only this change will be there. And if we are buying, and now what should be the journal entry? As we have told you just now, if we are buying, so in that case, we are paying the amount. So to bank, and here this sale will be purchases account, and this output will change into input. So what would be the journal entry? Purchase account debit 50,000, input IGST 9,000, to bank 59,000. Okay, this way it will be done. Next entry, adjustment of this tax we will study.